Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
It's cut off. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stino back at y'all. Stino Werewolf Drive back at y'all with another video. You know what I mean? And today I got a real special gift for y'all. A real special treat. And it's gonna be the big boy SRT cutting up. You know what I mean? Y'all see it ready to fill her up right now with that 93 pump. Yes, sir. Oh, I gotta do. My fault. I ain't even know how to do all that. My fault. There we go. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Yes, sir. Let me get a cool walk around for y'all. It's the big SRT 392. I told y'all we got a whole bunch of cars in the family. A whole lot of cars in the family, so I'm about to do a cool POV for y'all. It's the real SRT, by the way, not the fake one. Y'all see that? Not the fake one. Real badges. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. So I thought y'all was gonna see the tag. Hell no. Not the fake one. You know what I mean? I know a lot of people who got Scatpacks and whatnot who be trying to up badge it. Make him like an SRT. No, I don't see the big boy Hellcat. What's it called? Monkey wheels? I don't know what it's called. 6-piston rotors. You know what I mean? Hellcat SRT steering wheel. Yeah, you about to have fun. But yeah, we just filling her up right now. Probably gonna take 70. I was on E for real, so yeah, I'ma holler back at y'all when I get in the car. Peace. Damn. I was on Super E. There we go, 76 pounds. I was on Super E, man. Alright, sir, make sure we all good. We driving just like this. Let's get it. Full tank of gas. I ain't gonna do too much here. I'ma just let it do what it do. He got drive mode. I'm gonna put it on his custom one. Transmission on track, paddles on. Ooh. Shorty get slippy already. I know y'all hear Shorty popping. Woo wee. SRT time, man. Y'all gonna enjoy this one. Probably gonna use the paddles for a little bit. Let me make sure y'all can see good. Yeah, y'all can still see pretty good. Yeah, that should be good enough. Ooh, that was half throttle, y'all. I ain't even really do nothing to it. Let me go ahead and use the paddles for y'all. Put the windows up a little bit. I'm just half throttle. I can't even floor this car. They got a Borla Atak exhaust on her. Ooh, I can't even hook. Right there. We love that. Fuck is this Lexus doing? The fuck up out of here with that slow piece of shit, man. I'm in a motherfucking SRT. Better recognize that person just ran the red. Make sure I'm good. Oh yeah. Ain't no police? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This motherfucker crazy. Go ahead, put that back in custom. Turn on that traction control. I don't need to try to get in it, man. This car is too fast. Imagine a Hellcat, y'all. The Hellcat is my dream car, y'all. I'm trying to get that Hellcat wide body red eye Charger. And this car over here acting like this. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Speed camera. Literally half throttle, like barely half throttle. This car is crazy. Little man getting that work in, I think. hit them paddles. Oh shit. There's nothing but a smile on my face right now, y'all. Nothing but a smile. Track mode. Let's make sure ain't no police out here. Let me make sure ain't no boys out here. Straight pipe, and they got little tiny ass mufflers on the back. Go ahead, how about this road? Downshifts is crazy. Let me go ahead and go in this tunnel right here. Wow. Downshifts is crazy. I'm upshift. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm upshifting right now. See if it pop. It's popping. Damn, I shouldn't have cut power. Nah, I'm done. Ooh, get the popping for y'all. Go ahead, back in eco. There we go. There we go, back in eco mode. Cruising. Alright, y'all. Nice little POV video. I'm done. You feel me? About to head back to the crib and do what it do. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog or the next POV, the next video, next whatever.